Video number 3, painting on the floor. You can see this little design here. It's automatic. It's an automatic design. Too much paint on my paintbrush. It's an automatic design. Now, the reality is this is on the inside. I don't have to do that. Okay? I shouldn't do that. I should just leave it like this, because that's on the inside. This is a passage. This is 36 numbers. This is 36 numbers. This is my U. Here's a V. Here's a U. W, what would make a W? But now I want to show you this one more time. Okay? So when I take it, right, remember area space? If I take it to the bottom of both this area space over here, okay, if you can see it. Now I'm going to do the same thing and take it just to the bottom of the area space over here. Now, can you see the number 7 come out? Number 7. So when I complete this, it all disappears. You no longer see number 7 in this design. It's gone. Taking it all away. I don't like that I go so fast. So now I got to... But then I'm going to... I don't know if I should do that or just leave this one. Just for example, I'm going to leave this one open. These two I can leave open, right? What it is I can actually run a Y. If I put a Y in here at the bottom or at the top, I come up by connecting. See this one over here, right? I can come and connect this one here. I don't know if I want to do this now because it's wet and I can wipe it off. But if I can connect this here and connect this here, right? And that'll make another U. But it'll make a U inside a V. Making a U inside a V, is that what they call W? I'm just asking myself the connection. See over here, why is it like this and why is it like that? Because this one over here, what's in red are the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. And what I'm painting in yellow is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What's the next number after 10 in yellow? If you said 12, you're wrong. Because after 10 is 13. That's right. It's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And then it's not 11. It's 10, then 11, and then 13. Yes, 13 is an even number. 15 is an even number. 17 is an even number. And 19 becomes an odd number. Why? Because if you add the numbers together, in the plus world and in the multiple world, they change sides. Remember, and also one side of the street and the other, Raphael 7286 and a constellation of Pegasus. That's my new floor, and that's my old floor.